Computer Science, HPGS Middle School O and A level stream. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start with the last week of February. Computer Chapter 6, More on Spreadsheets. Page number 62, Unit 6.1 and 6.2. Introduction. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are computer applications used to store, analyze, organize, and manipulate data in rows and columns of a grid. Program operates by taking in data which can be numbered or text into the cell of a tables. Microsoft Excel is currently the industry standard of spreadsheets and worksheets. We have learned that spreadsheets are used for working with numerical data. We know about the basic elements of spreadsheet and how to enter data on it. We will also learn how to edit and format data. Now we are having some concepts of spreadsheets, such as spreadsheet is a software application that enables a user to save, sort, and manage data in an arranged form of rows and columns. Spreadsheets store data in tabular format as an electronic document. An electronic spreadsheet is based on a similar to the paper-based accounting worksheet. Unit 6.1, Changing raw height. Raw height is measured in points. There are 72 points to an inch. Default raw height is 12.75 points, 17 pixels. This height is sufficient to display text in font size of 10 and 12 pts. You will recall that formatting allows us to improve the appearance of our spreadsheet. One way of doing this is by changing the height of a row. We can increase or decrease the height of a row to suit our need. Row height is measured in points. Each point is equal to 0.035 cm. The default row height is 15 points. Row height can range between 0 to 409 points. There are few steps from which we can easily change our row height, and the steps are: set a row to the specific height, select row or rows that you want to change. On the Home tab, in the cell group, click Format. Under Cell Size, click Row Height. In the row height box, type the value that you want and then click OK and return to the worksheet. We can select other options from submenu as well, such as hide and unhide feature. These features are very useful. Hide feature. This feature allows us to prevent a row from being visible on a worksheet. Unhide feature. This feature allows us to view the hidden row on a worksheet. We can also change row height by pressing the left mouse button at the top or bottom edge of the row and dragging the mouse up or down. Unit 6.2, Changing column width. In Microsoft Excel, a column runs vertically in a grid layout of a worksheet. Vertical columns are numbered with alphabetic values such as A, B, C. Horizontal rows are numbered with numerical values such as 1, 2, 3, etc. Each column in worksheet has its own column number, which is used as part of a cell reference such as A1, A2 or M16. You can select an entire column by clicking on the column heading. There are many things that you can do with the columns in Excel, such as inserting, deleting, hiding, unhiding, and resizing of columns. There are some topics that explain how to use column. We are having some steps from which we can easily change our column width. Select column or columns by clicking on the column letter in the frame. Go to the cell group on a Home tab and select Format Column Width. Enter new width in the box opposite column width. Click on OK to return to the worksheet. Similar as changing row height, we also have some other options from submenu in changing column width. Those Sub options are auto fit column width, hide, unhide and default width features. Starting with auto fit column width, it increases or decreases the column width so that the data completely fills in the column. Hide allows us to prevent a column from being visible on a worksheet. Unhide allows us to view the hidden column on a worksheet. Default width allows us to change the standard column width. We can also change column width by pressing the left mouse button on the right or left edge of the column and drag the mouse to the left or right as per our requirement. At the end of explanation, we are having some practice task. The practice task is perform an activity to change row height and column width. Number 2. Use other options from sub menu to make changes in row and columns. Thank you.